Today, I will talk about the effect of topic selection on English as a foreign language students' writing performance by Alirenza Bunyadi. EFL students are often hindered in their writing by low engagement and limit English exposure outside the classroom. According to the theory of recent action, behavior is shaped by intention and influenced by attitudes and norms. In EFL settings, allowing students to choose their own materials can improve their engagement and motivation, enhance their academic achievement and interests, and develop their critical thinking skills. However, previous studies have examined more self-selection in oral tests and less on writing performance. So this gap leads to an overarching question. How does topic selection affect the writing performance of EFL students? Bunyadi conducted a Quassia experimental design, randomly divided into two groups, which minimized bias and confounding variables, enhancing the credibility of the results. Self-selected topic group and teacher-assigned topic group, which are independent variables. And students' writing performance is a dependent variable. That's great. But other potentially influential factors, such as students' earlier writing skills and classroom activities, was not explicitly considered. 30 MA students were selected but did not mention their cultural background in the article. And using a placement test for selection could exclude certain students, for example, like who are not sensitive to the specified content. Using the total number of words written to measure productivity is a quantitative measure and may not truly reflect the quality of the writing. The suitability of these ratings for assessing writing quality and fit for English learners' contents requires an investigation. When doing an independent sample t-test, first we check for 4 moments, but this article just showed the mean and standard deviation. The lack of skewness and kurtosis data will limit our ability to fully assess the shape of the data distribution. The KS statistic is used to test for normality. These variants are larger than 0.05, so there is no significant differences between the distributions of the two samples. But in the absence of skewness and kurtosis, we cannot rely too much on the results of the KS test. In Levin's test, p-value is larger than 0.05, so the assumption of equal variance is met. It's great. The sample size is 30, is a basic standard, but not be large enough to generalize the findings broadly. The mean differences is A, is great. P-value is less than 0.05, so it means that EFL students with self-selected topics did have a statistically significant effect on their writing performance, so the norm hypothesis was rejected. The eta square is 0.46, which is large, meaning that 46% of the variance in the student's writing performance can be explained by topic selection. The article also investigated the word count differences between two groups and found that there were not any significant differences between them in terms of the number of words used. But now we just focus on independent sample t-tests. So it can be concluded that self-selected topics significantly increase EFL students' writing performance, but not on word count. It suggests that we use self-selection in the classroom to improve students' interest and motivation, and generally introduce teacher-guided tests according to students' programs. The study is robust, using a Quassia experimental design and random assignment for solid results. It precisely measures topic choice effects with t-tests and strong statistics, confirming its practical hypothesis with significant group differences and large effect size. Potential limitations include small sample size, and the test formats benefit certain students, probably considering the actual influence of topic choice on writing. Solely using t-tests may overlook deeper data analysis. Also, studies focus on short-term effects and ignore long-term skill retention. This is the reference. Thank you.